Good morning, students. I welcome you all in online maths classes. Today, we will learn lesson 14, skip counting. Students, skip means to jump. Okay. So let's start. Skip counting. Students, skip counting means skipping the numbers while counting. So let's take our first topic, skip counting in 2s. Students, to solve skip counting or to learn skip counting first, we have to draw number line as I have shown here. First, we will draw number line and write numbers in sequence on the line. Okay. And then start counting. Students, if we start from 0, then in 2s skip counting, we will reach on every second number. It means if we start from 0, then we have to reach on every second number in 2s skip counting. Like this, if we start from 0, then second number is number 2. And if we start counting from 2, then every second number is 4. The next second number is 6. And from 6, next second number is 8. And from 8, next second number is 10. And so on, students. Okay, it means in 2s skip counting, we obtain the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Okay. Students, let's do some activity work which will clear your concept about 2s skip counting. Here, see carefully. Count in 2s, color the numbers. Students, here I wrote some numbers, as you can see, from 1 to 24. Here you have to color the numbers in 2s sequence. Okay. In 2s sequence, like in 2s skip counting, we start 2, 4, as I taught earlier, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Children, as you can see, every second number, I have colored every second number. Okay. If we start from first, then second number. This is the second number. Then fourth, then 6, then 8, then 12 and so on. Okay. I hope you understood. Now, let's move on. Question number 2. Circle 2s skip count. Like above, you have to do the same here. Okay. 2 I have done for you. 21. If you start from 21, we have to reach on every second number. It means first, if you start from 21, then we have to reach on every second number. Okay, like this. After skipping one number. If we start from 23, then first and second. It means 25 is the second. If we start from 25, then first, second. 27 is the second number. Again, 29 is the second. Okay. So like this, you can do more examples. Okay. Now, let's take our second topic, skip counting in 3s. Students, like 2s, in 3s skip counting, we have to skip. But the difference is, in 3s skip countings, we have to reach on every third number. And in 2s, we have to reach on every second number. Okay. So, here, we have to reach on every third number. So start from 0. We have to reach on every third number. Okay. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. It means in 3s counting we got the numbers 0, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Okay. Again we do some activity. Now count in 3s, color the numbers. We have to reach on every third number. It means 3, then 1, 2, again 3. It means 3, then 6. And when we start from 6, again we reached on number 9, then 12, 15, 18 and 21. Okay. So students, basic concept is that in 3s skip counting, we have to reach on every third number. If we start from 0, we have to reach on every third number. From where we start? If we start from 0 or if we start from number 1, we have to reach on every third number. Okay? Now, this is homework for you. Circle 3s skip count. And as you can see, 2 circle I have done for you. Now, let's take our next topic, skip counting in 4s. Students, like 3s, like 2s, in 4s skip counting, if we start from 0, we have to reach on every fourth number. As you can see here, from 0, we have to reach on every 4 number. Like if we start from 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. It means in 4s skip counting, we have to reach on every 4 number. And from 8, 9, after skipping 9, 10, 11, we will reach on number 12. Okay. Now, skip counting in 5s. Students, like 4s, in 5s skip counting, we have to reach on every 5th number. And one thing you have to see carefully, if you start from 0, then again we have to reach on every 5th number, or if you start from wherever, maybe you start from 1, you start from 2, but in that case, every time we have to reach on every 5th number in 5s skip counting. Okay. Now, let's take our next topic, and that is skip counting in 10s. Students, again here, first we will draw a number line and write numbers on the line. Okay? And then start counting. Like 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. In 10s, again we have to reach on every 10th number. You can see here from 0, if we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means if we start from 0, we will reach on every 10th number and so on. Okay. Here again I have given some activity work. Number 1 is count in 10s and color the numbers. So students, here you have to count the numbers and circle that number which will come on 10th position. Okay. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. So, let's do some exercises. Here, continue the pattern by counting in 2s. Students, in 2s counting, we have to reach on every second number. Now, let's start 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. One I have done for you, and rest of all you have to do. Okay? Now, next, here continue the pattern by counting in 3s. Students, in 3s counting, we have to reach on every third number. Let's see. 2, 5, 8, 11, 15, 19, 23 and 27. Like this, you can do all of these. Okay? Now, continue the pattern by counting in 5s. Students, in 5s skip counting, we have to reach on every fifth number. Okay? Now next, continue the pattern by counting in 10s. Again, in 10s skip counting, we have to reach on every 10th number. Okay? Like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay? Next, you have to do. So, that's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.